Hello and welcome. I have Pooja Ganguly with me. Pooja, congratulations. You qualified your NET exam in December 2019 in the subject of commerce. How are you feeling
Yeah.
about this success, Pooja?
At first, I would like to thank the entire team because without your human creators team, it was not quite possible for me because I got through this exam on my second attempt. First attempt, I had cleared. I am from state of West Bengal. I have cleared West Bengal state examination just with my self-study prepared notes. But when I sat for this NET in my first attempt, I found that my self-study was not complete to clear this exam because in NET they asked so minute details which was not, I was prepared with that much complete coverage of the syllabus. So I also made a lot of research on internet that how to, from where to get books which will help me like this and that. I got through many advertisements. I was not sure. Then, fortunately and luckily, I came across the name of this human predators, and it just changed the entire thing. In my first attempt with human predators study material, I could get clear this exam.
That's amazing, Pooja. It's really good to know about how are you feeling after this exam. Pooja, we want to know more about you. Where are you from? Where were you born? And when did you do your masters? Please tell us more about yourself.
Yeah, I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata. I had completed my studies all through in the state of West Bengal only. My graduation was from West Bengal State University, and my post graduation was also from the same university. There, in the year 2014, I completed my studies. Means I completed masters. Then I got married. It was I have not been indulged in any other activity, not even studies. Also, in the back of my mind, I always wanted to do something, but it happened something different. Anyway, that's a different story. So then after that, I thought that I have to again get involved in something, and to get involved in something prestigious. I am married to a person. He's in bank in a good position, so I was not allowed to get, not allowed to do any job which will, what I can say, which will hamper his prestige like that. So as stigmas are there still in our society that your wife or your married girl cannot do this and that like this. So then I thought that it will be better. Now one option was only that I have to go for the teaching profession, and there the utmost prestigious is, all know that assistant professor like this. First you can get to that. So I thought of giving this exam. Firstly, I sat, as I told, I sat for West Bengal state exam. I got cleared that, but I could not clear NET. So then the next step was to hunt for a good guide who can guide me through this path. And because as I am a housewife and a mother of a 3-year-old daughter, back then when I was giving my exam, my daughter was much 1 year back. You can understand, 2.5-year-old. So it was quite impossible. Most of my friends told me that what are you opting for being married without a tuition. Means I didn't, other than human predators, I did not have any tuition. After 5 years of marriage, it was just stopped. I was not involved in any books. It cut off from my routine life. So then again, I started to hunt for books from where to get. Then I found that the syllabus, if not without the help of human predators, I could not even think of syllabus, because when I sat previously in my first attempt, I found that the questions which they were giving, you will whoever will sit for the exam, they will feel that I know this one, but by that knowing will not help you to sail through the exam. Means those terms I might have known, in my graduation, in my because nothing comes out of the syllabus, but there itself in the syllabus, it's so vast, so depth, so minute differences are asked. If you have not proper knowledge of the theory, simple theory, minute differences, you cannot clear the exam. I felt like that. So then I took help of your team, Human Creditors team. Their study material was so concise. A vast thing has been put in a small booklet. Those subject-specific booklets were given, and that time my first thing was which I thought after giving the first exam, first time after sitting for the NET, I thought that whatever I have to do, I have to cover all the topics which were, because the first thing which was in my mind as well, I have to go through the syllabus, entire topic, whichever is my strength, weakness is just nothing, but I will, for at least for one, because syllabus was used, but the study material helped me to do that. It was so much concise, and gradually as I completed one subject booklet, because they give every subject, whatever, 11 in the subject specific, and then you have your general paper one also. So they give a separate booklet for that. My first thing was that I will go through orally to through the entire line by line, and it was not easy because I have my household course. Then also the things are given in a very lucid manner, in a very easy manner. It does not take your time, and gradually if you go through the booklet, I think you get an overall idea, and like that only I did. And the gem I will say, because that test booklet series which they are providing just does 80% of the work, I will say, because after studying the booklet also, I was not that much confident. I was confident that I know everything, but how to sit for the exam, that helped me a lot, because we have to give online examination. And in my house, I didn't use my phone because I use laptop to solve my online booklet series. That was just, I will name it as a gem, because that only ensured me, means I got so much confidence that I would be able to face any question. First thing which I did, I had gone through each question. I had solved those questions. And the thing is that you cannot access those booklet series unless you submit those, because they ask the question, you have to give your answer. After submitting that, this also helps. Sometimes in some paper I scored very bad. Then I understood that okay, I have to do and much better. I have to read more. After solving, after submitting, they give you the entire details. Means they every question we have 4 options. So they are not only giving the right options, that this is right answer, you're right or wrong. Every 4 options, whatever word, line by line, they are giving the analysis that which helps. We will help anybody to understand it, to grasp the matter, and the thing is that it will help them to face any other question, because in NET, as any of you whoever have prepared for the exam will know that the questions are never repeated. Questions never get repeated in NET exam. Twice only, luckily in my second attempt only I could clear the exam, but whatever I have gone through previous test papers and all, I have found that no questions are being repeated, but those concepts are repeated. While I was solving those previous mock paper, which was provided by HP in team only, there I found in one question, suppose in one test paper I solved one and I found okay, this one is, and the second test booklet also I found okay that this question I had answered somewhere else. When I scrolled back and I found that no, this is not all the same. Some words some topic must be same, but exact same questions are never asked. So I will suggest, or whatever I could grasp from this entire process or entire journey, is that to clear the exam, you have to go through the entire syllabus. Then those test booklets, those clarifications will help you to answer or to get confidence in anything you do, which has helped me. And obviously, if I am not that much brilliant, I don't think myself to be brilliant that much, then I would not have been after 5 years of leaving my studies, I would not leave my study in midway, or I would not get married and get busy in household work. But so I am a mediocre student only. But I have done that with all after, bearing all the burden, household chores, being a mommy, I have done. So I think anybody can do this with if they're focused, and regular study is important. I have done regularly whatever work I had, but regularly at least 3 hours of study is needed to clear the exam.
That is so motivating, Pooja, because there will be so many girls who want to get back to their careers after starting a family. And this is a very positive chat that we are having here, that despite of everything, you still took out time and religiously prepared for this exam, and finally you got success. So thank you for sharing your experience.
And one more thing I would mention, which I missed, that you must focus on your, because everybody who are liking that, they think that I'll sit for the exam in the subject specific I'm talking. If I have sat for commerce, someone will sit for management, Bengali, English, whatever maybe. They have strength in their own subject. In my first attempt, I also could not clear this, because not only because of my subject preparation, the main drawback of my preparation was that I had not focused on my paper 1, which was general for everybody. And that in my second attempt, I got to know this, because these human pages is so much, they're so much professional, and all the time they're eager to help the students. When I got their guidance, they also told me that, and I found that yes, it was completely 100% correct. They told me that you have your strength on your subject, your subject specific, you have strength, and in subject, any subject, there is so much depth. There is no full stop to the syllabus. It's never ending. Only you have to grasp the basic, the theory, main theory. Then you can carry on with your subject nicely. But the main drawback which most of the students face, and I have also faced, was with general paper. I did not pay much attention to that paper in my first attempt, and just it showed that how weightage it takes place in your net syllabus. For that reason, I could not even clear that first exam, because it was not so much good in my first attempt. And in my second attempt, which I did, and was before 1 month of the exam, I took complete attention to paper 1. I don't know whether it will work for others, but it worked for me. Because paper 1 is subjects you are not so much acquainted with those, you are not so much familiar with those terms. Many terms are there, but the main thing is that the syllabus in paper 1 is very much, you can small, I will tell. Topics are, a large number of topics are there in paper 1, but the periphery of questions to be asked, which I felt was not vast. So you can easily take a challenge, or you can easily target that, okay, out of this area, I'll be able to answer this question. So paper 1, any and everybody will have to focus on paper 1, because I think paper 1 subjects are not, after you complete your post-graduation, you are not so much aware, you are not so much involved in those subjects, those aptitude and all, and so I feel that you have to focus on your paper 1.
Very valid point that you pointed out here, that paper one is the make or break point for most of the
Yeah.
people if they want to qualify NET. Even we say to our students that for JRF also you have to put more focus on paper one. Like if you can score 45 out of 50 questions in paper one, you can get your JRF done.
Yeah, that only works for me.
Yes, totally. And I can't thank you enough for opening up yourself to us and talking to us in,
It's
such
all my pleasure
honesty
because I always,
yes, yes,
I have a lot of gratitude to this team because without their help, it would not have been so smooth. Means maybe because as I had that intensity in my mind that by hook or by crook, I am going to clear this exam. Maybe, but it would not be so much smooth if you all means I would not take the help of your team. Maybe I would have done it. I would have cleared because people learn from your failure which your team told me. I could also point out that yes, from paper one I had drawbacks. I could not clear my exam in my first attempt due to paper one. But then those resources I would not get if I would not have taken your help in study material from Human Pages. So it was just because of their team, your team. My journey has been so smooth, and I'm quite, and I'm now very proud that I got these blessings from you, from this team, because this study material are just blessings and resources for a lifetime. Many of after this, many of the students have contacted me and asked me that can you share your study material and all. I said no, these are lifetime resources. Sorry, I would not be able to give away those books.
yes. And also, even if you would, it would not be that helpful for them because after every exam we upgrade the material every 6 months.
Yeah, I have mentioned that to them also. Yeah, I have mentioned.
They
that.
would lose out on some changes that happened in the past 6 months.
Yet then again, because in commerce, so it's so much, means it's very much what I say, dynamic. All the time it's changing, bills are coming and all. So, and I think in Consumer Protection Act or something, I'm now missing out that some act was has been amended. So someone from your team only messaged us that okay, this portions have been upgraded. This is not given in your book. They personally emailed, I think, as they have emailed to me. So to every other member students only, they must have emailed them personally that these are a new upgraded syllabus. You please go through this. I have mentioned those to those students also. So there's no point in buying the book earlier and also not from other means. Our previous edition won't help you much because this net itself is a very dynamic. All the time they are changing.
Those words were very kind. You are very generous with your praise. Thank you so much, Pooja. And
thank you.
And we are very, very glad that that you're so proud of yourself on clearing this exam. We are proud of you, and you'll be a great teacher. And we wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. And I'll thank you again for taking out this time and speaking with us.
It was all my pleasure.
Thank you, Pooja. Take care.